Hi everyone, this video is on the paper flower template kits. If you are ordering the kits, this is what you need to do. Once you get your package, open it and pull everything out. This package came in a complete set of the petals, the base, and the flower center. This kit, you can make unlimited flower, you can make unlimited size, and the videos direction, the video tutorial direction for these flowers are on my YouTube channel. So once you empty your package, you get 4 different size base, and you get 9 petals, different size, and you get 4 different size of the strip to use as the center of the flowers. So the instruction for these kits are, if you are making a small flowers, you choose 3 of the petals, 3 small petals, and you would choose the small strip right here to make your small flower and the small base. So this is a set for the small flowers. And if you are making a medium flower, you would choose these 3 next petals right here, and you will use the medium base and the medium strip for the center of the flowers, like that. If you're making the large flower, so you have 1, 2, 3, choose 3 petals and the large base right here and the large strip. So all the strip come in 2 pieces. One is already cut out and one is not cut out yet. You can use both on your flower. You can keep one as a sample and use one. But if you want a thicker center, you can use 2. And for the extra large, you can use 1, 2, 3 petals, these 3 petals right here with the extra large base and the extra large center. So I provide 2 strip over here for the extra large, but if it's not enough, all you need to do is get some more paper and measure the same measurement and make the strip. So you think 2 is not enough, you could do 3 sheets. And that's about it. So you just choose any 3 size petals and cut each petal into 6 petals. So you need to trace out 6 of the biggest petal and then 6 of the medium petal and 6 of the small petals. And then you get your base and then your flower centers. These are sample for the paper flower kits. But just to let you know, each kit is different. So some kits come with 5 petals with different size, and some will come with 6 different petal size. So depending on which kit you order, the direction is almost the same. Choose 3 or 4 petals to create a flower. And that's about it. Thanks everyone for your order and enjoy crafting.